Hey guys, hope everyone had a great holidays and a great beginning of the new year, 2020. So I'm here with an update video to the last one that I made regarding the Eachine E520s with GPS. Like I said in my previous videos, the first two, which you can see here, I took it for a basic flight test to test out all, the flight abilities. And then on my last video, I took it out because I wanted to test out the app functions. And I didn't have a good experience there. As you can see from that video, nothing worked. Everything was not working, and the drone seemed to be a little wonky in the air. And that's when I realized that it had some sort of damage on the lower rear right side of the arm where the LED light and motor and propeller is located. So I'm going to be returning this thing because I'm not going to purchase any extra parts to fix it or repair it. It's not worth the money. I paid somewhere around, I don't know, close but not near $200. And I just think it's, at first I thought it was a pretty cool drone to fly as a beginner level drone. But then I realized after this last flight, let me show you what happened here. So if I remove the battery, so I took it out for a flight test, as you saw in the last video, and the LED light here was not working. And, I said, oh, what's going on? Okay, well, it's just the LED light. And I started flying around. Then it just started acting all crazy on me in the air. Seemed like it was wobbling a bit. And so I brought it down, took it back home, inspected it a little bit, and then I found this. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a little piece of wiring in there where the red wiring, and there's a copper wire exposed. So that is a major problem. And now the propeller just doesn't rotate as well as the other three, so it's damaged. And the only thing that I can tell from looking at it closely is every time you fold the arms, especially these two in the back, these two don't seem to have that much of a problem. Even though the wires are there, you can see them. But these two in the back seem to be very closely placed in this area here. And it keeps on rubbing on that plastic part of the casing every time you fold it and unfold it. So that caused some wear on that very delicate cable. And now it's exposed and damaged. So I'm returning this baby. Let me just show you one, which is, I don't recommend doing this. I shouldn't even be doing this because that's an exposed wire. So I'm not gonna do it. I don't want to let it spark in flames or something. I don't know. But yeah, I'm returning this baby. I actually purchased a newer drone, and I'll feature it on my channel. I'll do an unboxing and I'll go through everything and do a flight test on that one. This one's exciting because it's way better than this drone, first of all. And I'm excited to receive that one. And say bye-bye to Eachine E520s. I do not recommend this for beginners or for anyone. not even for a child, which I wouldn't recommend for a child anyway, below the age of 14. But yeah, it's just, I mean, for near $200, and then that occurs, and it's just, I mean, it's plasticky, and yeah, not worth the money. Thumbs down. All right, see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching my channel, and please subscribe if you can. Thank you. Bye. This was me when I first received it. This is now how I feel.